Property management keywords. Unlock your SEO potential. Are you struggling to make your property management company stand out online? You might have a keyword problem, but it's probably not what you think. Most property management keywords have surprisingly low difficulty scores, making it easier to rank than you might expect. In this guide, we've compiled 100 plus keywords mapped by intent and funnel stage, focusing on the top drivers like property management, services, and near me can help you connect with potential clients effectively. Why keyword research matters. Understanding why keyword research matters for property management is crucial. It allows you to target the right audience and enhances your visibility on search engines. Categories of keywords. We've categorized keywords into key areas. Owner and landlord acquisition keywords. Tenant and renter keywords. Property management services keywords. Property type keywords. How to start a property management company. Keywords. Property management marketing and SEO keywords. Property management software keywords. Long tail question keywords. Local and geographic keyword patterns. Competitor and comparison keywords. Strategic usage. Using these keywords strategically can elevate your content and help you capture long-tail traffic, which can establish your authority in the niche. Executing the right strategy matters more than competition, ensuring that you find the keywords that convert best, especially focusing on pricing and local terms. The bottom line? By employing these actionable insights, you can significantly boost your SEO efforts. Check out the complete blog on our website. Need help with your property management SEO? Connect with ClearLead Digital today. www.clearleaddigital.com